I know what you're thinking. That chord progression sounded very different. There was nothing bright or chirpy about it, but it still had a lot of emotions. Why? Because I played a combination of three minor chords. If you do a quick recap, you'll come to know that we have covered the A minor and the E minor. So right now, the chord that we're going to focus on is the D minor. I mean, if you read up about this online, I'm sure you'll find this chord described as the saddest chord. But you know, music is black and white, just like piano. So you need to have the black notes and the white notes so that you balance the music perfectly. So yeah, it's always important to learn all types of chords. So let's look at D minor. Very simple fretting position. If you have managed to check out our previous video that had a proper explanation of the D major, just like the way you learned your D major, learn your D minor exactly like that. Do not try to look at it from your bottom strings. Try and work your way upwards from your top strings. All right. So now, time to understand the position. The index finger goes on the first fret of the E string. Ring finger goes on the third fret of the B string. It might look like a stretch, it might feel like a task, but it's not, trust me. And once you have your thumb placed in the right position, you'll be able to stretch it out. And the middle finger goes on the second fret of the G string. Make sure that your fingers are curled enough, they're not touching the strings above or beneath it. Make sure that you're using the tip of your fingers and proper wrist movement from both ends. All right. And to conclude this lesson, let's try and combine all three minor chords. That's your D minor, A minor, and E minor. Also, finding the perfect balance between playing a complete minor chord is also necessary. This is just the beginning. This is just a small set of minor chords that you have seen right now. And eventually, you will encounter tons of lessons coming from our end where you learn a lot more fun progressions with a lot more fun strumming pattern. But before you get to that, make sure you're covering all the important lessons now and let us know what you think about it. Till then, have fun with this.